Hey y'all, Halfmilesniper here, and we're out in the garage today because we're going to be putting some 350 Legend ammo together. We're going to use some existing 9mm ammo to harvest some components. So sit back, kick your feet up, enjoy the ride. Oh no, look at all that primed brass and leftover powder. Huh. Well, there are those who will say what I've done is sacrilegious, but hey, I needed some 147 grain bullets for the 350 Legend. Components are hard to find right now. I had some old Winchester Ranger 147 laying around, a couple of cases of it, and I figured, what would it hurt? So I broke down a few rounds, and I've got me some 147 truncated cone projectiles. It should work just fine. And I'll be able to load me some 350 Legend once I get done processing the brass. And this will be the very first piece of 350 Legend brass getting deprimed. Very nice. Some of that is brass from TRB. Some of that is brass from when I test fired. This will be mixed brass, 300 blackout and 350 Legend going into the wet tumbler. All we need is some water and some lemon shine. Nice clean brass, fresh from the tumbler. Let me get back to rinsing. So here we are before resizing at 1.69. So let me get this lubed up and we will size it and see what we grow to. And after sizing we grow to 1.70. I think our maximum length is 1.71, so we'll see what the average is and whether or not I need to trim these when I get done sizing them all. And here we are after trimming. Trim length. And that is close. Okay, there we have our first test dummy. We will give that a plunk test, and if everything's good, we'll use that to set our dies up from scratch every time. That's with the 147 grain Winchester bullet. Try to get that back in focus there. There we go. Okay, easy way to tell when the primer pocket's too loose. Yeah, that one's too loose. And here we are with our second charge. I am offsetting them so that I know what's what as I go to test them over the chronograph. Well, there we have the first 25 reloaded 350 Legend using pulled 147 grain flat points, and we'll see how this works out. Okay, well there we have it. 25 rounds of 350 Legend, 147 grain truncated cone bullets, 5 different loadings. We'll see how they shoot. Now, if you were paying attention, you may have noticed there's a new logo. Soon there'll be shirts. So keep your eye out. And once I have everything set up, I'll have a link in my descriptions where to find the shirts. But until then, this be Halfmilesniper checking out. I really appreciate all y'all watching. I appreciate the likes. I appreciate the comments. I appreciate the subscriptions. If you're already subscribed, then double check, make sure you're still subscribed, because people have been getting unsubscribed without their knowledge. So again, this is Halfmilesniper checking out. Y'all have a great day, and we'll catch you next time.
Send it.
Hit.